So guys, as I promised, here is the part 2 of my video. The seat belts now are dried. They are cleaned, you can see, and now I'm going to put some silicone spray on them. I will spray this silicone on the main seat belt, all the length of it, and in this place too, where it goes. So guys, let's check the result. I have already sprayed this liquid silicone on my seat belt all the way along, and in the place where it goes, the mechanism. And now I will test, will my job work or no. Let's see. So as you can see, it comes back the way better than it was, so I'm very pleased with the result, and job is done. So if you like my videos, please subscribe. More videos will come soon. So thank you, and please subscribe.